once again everyone, welcome to Mineral Science, and our last video we discussed the discovery of virus. Today we'll be discussing the microorganisms in the 20th century and their various examples of microorganisms that were discovered in the 20th century. We have the Helicobacter pylori, Helicobacter pylori. We have the Salmonella typhi that causes typhoid fever. Salmonella typhi. We have the Microbacterium tuberculosis. It causes tuberculosis. We have have pox virus, have Toxoplasma gondii, that causes toxoplasmosis. We have the Plasmodium species. While using the major one, which is Plasmodium falciparum, that causes malaria. Plasmodium falciparum. There are other species like the Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, and Plasmodium knowlesi, or Plasmodium falciparum. We have Escherichia coli, which are given Escherichia coli. We have the entamoebic histolytica, entamoebic histolytica. We have the entamoebic histolytica. We have the trypanosoma species, causes sleeping sickness, and there are various species. We have the Trypanosoma rhodesiae, we have the Trypanosoma cruzi, and many more. Trypanosoma species, SP. We have the tobacco mosaic virus, and we also have many more examples of microorganisms that were discovered in the 20th century, but we'll be stopping here for today, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned to our next video.